start the match in 3, 2, 1, go.
As we begin qualification match number 35, I see all 4 purple pixels on the spike lines. We see some minor collision on the red alliance in autonomous.
Can I stop the autonomous?
As 6417 is colliding with 20131. Let's see if they can get that fixing. They hopefully can, as over on the blue alliance they have 9974 cycling back and forth. The white pixels in the stacks, but are unfortunately once again caught on the opposite alliance's robots.
3, 2, 1.
As we enter the teleoperated period, the Blue Alliance does have the lead, 111 to 68 points. Let's see if the Red Alliance can catch up. Looks like we have an accidental drone fire early in the match. That will not be a penalty, but it will not count for extra points as well. 9974 going back and forth, collecting 2 pixels from the wing as they go over to the backdrop to score a purple pixel and a white pixel for an extra mosaic. With that mosaic, they also reach set line 1 for an additional 10 points. That's 20 points both in 1 pixel. Meanwhile, on the Red Alliance, they have 1 orange mosaic and are stacking up white pixels on it to get set line 1 and a mosaic. And looks like 6417 is going over to score potentially another mosaic. 24145 going to score 2 more white pixels on the backdrop, building a solid foundation of pixels to score up or to reach the higher set lines later in the match, as their alliance partners 9974 are going for another green mosaic. As some collision happens in the front of the field between Blu Cru and between 9974, 20131 is going for another purple pixel to finish a mosaic for 2 mosaics on the Red Alliance. On the Blue Alliance, they have 3 successful mosaics and are building a really solid foundation of white pixels. Let's see how high they can get their pixels. Over on the Red Alliance, they have 1 mosaic successfully scored and potentially might have a second one if they can move the pixels in the right orientation. Right now, we have 2 drones fired. Both are zone 1. Or 1 is zone 1, the other is not scored, unfortunately. Another drone is fired. That does land in zone 1. That's 1 zone 1 for red, 1 zone 1 for blue. Let's see if all 4 robots can hang at the end of the match, and it looks like they can. Very high-scoring match. It looks like both teams have reached set line 2. Over on the Blue Alliance, there are 4 mosaics, and over on the Red Alliance, there's 1, maybe 2.
Was the end of qualification match 35 on field 1. Now we're back on field 2 for match number 36 of 42. Let's please introduce team 71-72 on the Red Alliance.
Technical difficulties.
And their partner 15-167.
The Robo Troopers.
Blue Alliance team 20-077.
The Indubitables.
19743 is their partner.
Definitely human.
Up. Here we go. Scores for match number 35. Yeah, Blue Alliance win match 35. 293 to 216, and they had the advantage of 30 penalty points, but it would not have made the difference in that match.